Ciao a tutti! Coronavirus! No, wait, I don't want to talk about this. But I prepare with you homemade hand sanitizer. It's not my recipe, but it's by WHO. This is the official link. Let's start!
Here is what we need to make our hand sanitizer. A graduated container with at least 1 liter capacity that you have nicely washed. Alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, glycerol, and colorant. We use vanilla. We love its smell. We now boil some water in a nicely cleaned pot. Then we let it cool down while we measure the other components. Do not worry too much about having sterile containers and tools. The solution itself will kill germs and dormant bacterial spores. Use the graduated container or a large syringe for your measurements. A scale can be used as well. In such case, dose the components and weight as specified in the video description below. Reset the scale with the empty container on it, then start adding alcohol. We could only find bottles of 100 milliliters each, so we need 9 of them. If you refer to the scale reading, reach the weight of 657 grams. Now we add 3% solution of hydrogen peroxide. Our bottle has 6% concentration, so we use half of the specified quantity. Hydrogen peroxide is what kills the spores in the bulk solution and recipients. Next is glycerol, which is added to preserve the moisture of the skin. You can see it's clear and a bit thick. Avoid working in a cold environment where the glycerol would become too thick. Finally, we add the boiled water until reaching 1 liter of total solution. Mix. As an optional step, you can add a colorant. Better using a fancy color to avoid mistaking our clear solution with water. We decided to use some vanilla essence to darken the solution and give it a very pleasant smell. We cover it with a lid to prevent evaporation and let it rest for 72 hours, which is the time to get all spores killed. It's a bit like a short quarantine. If you wish, you can put a label on the container. WHO approved hand sanitizer. For more convenient use, transfer the solution in a clean spray bottle, respecting the 72 hours quarantine before first use. Some people like gels for hand sanitizer, but a spray has also some other convenient applications. It reaches the hidden corners of your computer keyboard, the best hiding place for germs. If you do not put glycerol, which could leave some traces, this spray is also perfect to clean glasses and camera lenses.
You don't need to make so much sanitizer. There is only one rule, which our mothers told us all the time. Wash your hands. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe. And don't forget that every day is a sunny day in the Tony's home. Ciao!
If your child does not want to wash their hands after playtime, no worries. Now you learn how to make a WHO approved hand sanitizer, and your child can have their snack in your total peace of mind. Indeed, this is another sunny day at Tony's home.